Hey everyone, welcome to Free Tools by JB. So today we are starting with a very popular and super powerful tool, that's the FileZilla Client. If you ever needed to upload the files to a server, manage your website, or move the files securely, FileZilla is an option for you. And the best part is it's completely free. So let's get started. So FileZilla is a free FTP solution, as I said, and open source FTP software that lets you transfer the files between your computer and a web server. So it supports FTP, FTPS, and SFTP as well, which makes a perfect choice for web developers and the hosting users. This is the official website from where you can download the FileZilla client. So that is filezilla-project.org, and make sure you download from the official site itself to avoid fake installers or malware. And notice the quick download links over here, and this for the FileZilla client. So click download and install it like any normal software. Once installed, this is the FileZilla window. On the left hand side over here, notice under the local site, you will see these are the computer files, your local computer files. On the right hand side, you notice this here, the server files will be located. So once you connect to the server, you will notice all the server files over here on the right hand side. At the top, you see an option to enter the details for the host, like the address of the server, the username, password, and the port number. So by default, the port number for FTP is 21 and SFTP is 22. And once you enter this detail, hit the quick connect button. So let's try to connect to the server. So I have one of the localhost server. So let me just try to connect to the server. So I'm entering the host details, or basically I can enter the server name or the host name. So I'm entering the IP over here right now. So 127.0.0.1, username test FTP, and let me enter the password. Okay, and I'll click the enter. So it's just asking me to abort the previous connection and connect in the current tab. So yeah, I'll just go for that. So notice the connection is successful, and once on successful connection, user is now authorized to transfer the files from local site to the remote site. Okay, so let me select the folder. I'll just try to transfer the file from my local site to the remote site. So I have one of the file over here, that is this one of the PNG file, and uploading the files is super simple. You just need to drag and drop the file from local site to the remote site, and also you have an option where you can select this, right click on that file, and you can select the upload option. So either way, it's you can just go ahead. So let's say I'm clicking on this upload. Notice file transfer finished, and all the files, it provides you a notification all files have been transferred successfully. At the same time, you also notice the progress, as in the tab as a successful transfer. It provides you the details. Okay, so FileZilla also shows the progress, the failed transfer, and even the successful transfer at this bottom tabs. So yeah, that's a quick overview of the FileZilla client. This is one of the most powerful and free tools every web developers or website owners, I think, should know, and a lot of users, a lot of developers are using this. And at the same time, few of the great features of this FileZilla client are like, it supports large file transfers. It allows you to bookmark your sites using the site manager. And yeah, while transferring is in progress, it also shows you the transfer speed, and also it resumes broken transfers as well. Like if there's any kind of broken transfers, it just resumes that as well. And finally, it's completely free and open source. So yeah, if you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to Free Tools by JB, and drop a comment by telling me which free tool you want me to cover the next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.